get in the car. Oh, there's his eggs over there. That's why. Over there's the eggs. No, they're right there. Right there, the black eggs. See over there the 3 eggs in the middle? They look like rocks. He's going over to the eggs, or she? See, those are the eggs. She's on top of them. See, she's going to sit on them.
Oh, that's nice.
Those are the eggs. No, stay away. She's protecting the eggs.
Oh, yeah, I see them.
You see the eggs? They're right underneath of us.